unicorn, okay?
Okay, so we're back
Stop
with
moving, kid.
another episode of Orion Prelude. Again.
Yeah.
It's like 13th episode.
Right, maybe make you
Pretty
unicorn.
much. I mean, this could last you about a month.
It could, but it's not going to.
I'm glad that these upgrades are.
We're already on the 8th round, though.
Oh my god. Wait, it's
Oh
only been
no!
8 rounds?
No, it's the Forsaken round.
And we don't have any vehicles left.
Oh crap!
Yeah, but I have a bow and arrow that does 1,000 damage an arrow.
Yeah, there's that. And we have melee damage.
Oh,
Here they come.
Okay, I'm just gonna fly up here. Be right back, guys.
No, don't you dare!
I'll just take down the pterodactyls and stuff.
Oh, they're everywhere. Where did they even come from? They just randomly spawn in.
That's kind of the whole thing.
I'm already about to die. Are you serious? I already died.
I'm in the mech.
Oh wait, that mech's about to blow up. Don't get in it.
I can use some help here.
I need backup because I can't revive myself.
I died. The T-Rex got me with a rock again.
I'm trying to go get Hayden.
That T-Rex has 22,000 health.
Thank you.
Just, I was about to come get you. I'm down.
Oh gosh! No!
Dinosaurs remain.
12, 11, 10.
But where? I don't understand! How are they this fast? Ah! Not again! Now I can't even see.
Four dinosaurs remain. Three dinosaurs remain.
Finally, got that stupid Steggy out.
Stay.
Steggy, we call it freaking Steggy. Oh,
Triceratops.
I see
Full
it.
health, though. Alright, Triceratops is dead.
Ah, the freaking. Oh crap! The generator.
I can use some help here.
Ah! I can't see from the stupid grass.
Secure the objective.
Ah!
Well,
I swear these stupid spitters are. Ah!
I hear the bow and arrow.
Yeah, I'm doing 2,000 damage a hit on this Sego.
Finally!
Restore
Okay.
generator.
Yeah, that's
Now
stuck
we just have to
inside.
get this stupid T-Rex done.
And the generator. Yeah, I'm stuck
good.
inside.
Teammate down.
I'll go
Oh
generator.
crap! Generator! Go!
T-Rex is over here, though.
Four dinosaurs remain.
Hey, you want to
Teammate
watch
down.
the T-Rex as I...
Where's stupid? Oh crap!
Three dinosaurs remain.
Okay, you need to repair that.
Carrier generator receiving damage.
Oh crap! I'm out of ammo.
Dinosaurs remain.
Oh god, there's a T-Rex inside me. I died. It didn't even put me in a bad stand. The T-Rex ate me. Dude, it has 12,000 hit points.
Oh, I can do this. Don't worry.
Ah! Trying to leave.
Alright, no one take my bow, because I spent $20,000 on it.
Dude, I might need it.
No, you're not touching my bow.
Dude, I need it to kill it.
No, don't worry, Hayden. I got this. I got this.
Well, you're alive now. All I have is this stupid SMG.
Yeah, all I have is a bow that I spent my life savings into.
God, I
Yeah,
need
and
to
you're
fix-
dead.
Yeah, I respawned in
Now
5
we need that
seconds.
stupid T-Rex to stop throwing. Finally, we
I killed it. I killed it.
We killed it. Yes. Yes, we killed it.
Oh crap,
It's
the generator.
dead. The Wicked Witch is dead.
Cover me. I need to spend...
I can use some help here.
I got it. I'm level 25 now.
Five dinosaurs remain.
Oh, Hayden, help me up. Hayden.
Ah.
2 dinosaurs
Okay, never mind, I'm up.
remain.
Okay, we need to find this stupid.
Dinosaur.
Okay, the generator's almost fixed, guys. Eighty.
19 report in.
We did it! We
I
did
fixed the
it!
generator.
Nice! Okay. Whew! We finally did it. We finally got past wave 8.
Did someone take my bow?
No.
No, no one took your bow, dude.
My bow's gone.
Dude, that's not...
No, it's not.
Dude.
I now have all of the upgrades.
Okay. Double quick clip size.
Okay,
Okay,
we're
now all I need is damage. So I have full on clip size. That's awesome.
Dude,
So
I have this revolver now has 12 shots in it and does double damage. And you found your bow?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, yeah. So
Wasn't even near where I died though.
all right.
That's what confused me.
Oh!
Okay, I took it down. I did 400 damage to the.
Oh
to
my
the
god!
butt
What
with
is
that
that? The DINOSAurus?
Protect our base.
thing. What is that? Where is it? I want to see what it looks like. Crap! I need help. You guys are freaking throwing rocks at us again.
Whatever it is. Oh crap! Yeah.
Some backup.
What is this? Oh my god!
Double kill.
Ah!
I need backup.
I need backup. I need backup. Oh my god! That DINOSAurus is a giant thing.
Dude, it's a giant crocodile! Oh my gosh! I got killed by a freaking raptor. A raptor.
Out of all the things that are here,
Great. All that stuff that I had, at least I have the upgrades, and the stupid bots are not helping. Look at this.
don't worry. Now your stuff is still here.
Protect the objective.
Honestly, I didn't have that many items. I just had the regular assault rifle and the
We
pistol.
need to repair the generator again.
Because these things are so
There's
overpowered.
a T-Rex and a Triceratops.
And look at this bot. Look at this bot. I swear, he's just sitting there. Sitting there. Oh, look at
DINOSAurus,
the
the giant Argonian. That's not Argonian.
You play too much Skyrim.
Kill T-Rex.
I'm killing the DINOSAurus.
Sushis.
Killing the giant
I'm going to the whatchamacallit thing.
generator.
Yep.
Okay, guys, I've nearly killed the DINOSAurus.
Yeah, 'cause that thing's like a humongous threat. We have no idea how it works.
It deals a ton of damage. I got killed by one of these one time. Okay, guys, I've nearly killed it.
Okay, I'm trying to kill the
I killed it, guys. I got
Triceratops.
1,000
Yeah,
credits
time
for
to do it.
killing that.
Okay, got the Triceratops. Now I got the 2 stags.
I got 1,000 credits for killing that DINOSAurus.
Oh crap! Stags near the power generator.
Some backup, please. I need backup.
I'm not even dying.
Ah,
from
stupid
snakes.
Stegosaurus! I swear.
I need help. I need help.
I'm dead.
You're spotted.
Where are
I don't
you?
know what's going on.
Over here.
Brian, over here does not help.
Alright.
Why the generator? I got killed by a raptor.
A raptor. What? Where did that thing come from?
Oh, we're spawning in 38, 37, 36, 35. Hey,
Okay.
jump up on top of the rocks.
Me?
Hey,
5 dinosaurs remain.
I'm gonna go try.
Oh great! Now I'm only a target to these
4
stupid.
dinosaurs remain.
All that happens is a stupid SMG.
Dinosaurs
Oh, I killed one.
remain.
Hey, kill these the flying things.
I'm back in 5, 4, 3,
Last dinosaur.
1.
That's the only thing preventing me from doing this stupid generator.
Reporting team,
I'm back.
follow me.
This is like this is record-breaking time here. Look at this.
Don't say
And
that.
it's only
ever again.
24%. Okay, really. Like I would get it if it was like a fully 100%, but no, it only gives you 24%. Only 24%.
What are you talking about, Hayden?
It says 24% on my screen. for the generator.
Oh.
It only gives you 24% for all that work and covering each other. Wait, how is it? How's it the end of the wave?
Oh, we have to go to the objective now.
Okay, I need a weapon. Yes. Now I have all the upgrades, all 4.
What?
I have all 4 of the upgrades too.
Money grabber.
I have 3.
Well, that could be a little bit faster.
I'm on my way to the objective.
T-Rex.
Along the way?
Yeah, it's there.
Oh gosh. Yeah, take that, T-Rex. What's it gonna do?
Oh. Oh man.
Got it.
There we go. Look at that damage. The damage.
I do 2,500 a headshot
Oh my god, dude.
with the bow, and I upgraded the reload speed, so it just goes super fast now.
It's not a bad idea. Or I might buy the sniper rifle.
Yeah, because it's also 20,000. So
Where's the Stegosaurus?
Double kill.
You might be near the power generator.
shut up, girl.
I think it's over here by the... No, it's not.
Yeah, I bet it's near the power generator. They always spawn near there, for some reason. Just love to spawn right next to the Where is it? Where are you, Steggy? Come on! I want to murder you! Come on. Come on, you want...
Guys,
you don't
I
want
have a helicopter!
what? A helicopter? Are you serious?
Well, I have one too.
What?
Okay.
I think...
Guys, I have a helicopter. Look at...
Yeah,
look
me
at
too.
me. Helicopter masterpiece. Okay, Hayden, it looks like you're gonna be our, you have a mech over there.
You can
Oh
get a
my
mech.
gosh! I'm so close to getting getting enough for just one augment, but of course,
I want the money grabber augment. Or something.
achievement.
The money grabber.
No, it's an augment. You get like double money.
Cover this area.
around
Yeah,
10
I
though.
apparently got the achievement for it. If only
See how
we
many
could see it
dinosaurs-
in this stupid rain.
Okay, we have to
Hey,
watch out for
incoming.
pterodactyls, Jake.
Yeah, you are a pterodactyl watch.
Incoming.
I'm
Oh
cutting the
my
Spinosaurus.
gosh! The oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, dude.
I need backup.
I freaking died.
Guys, don't worry.
I just died. Like just straight up.
Objective.
Just straight up died. Like
Restore generator.
I don't understand.
Destroyed.
Teammate down.
Dude, that Spinosaurus is overpowered. Just one hits me.
Don't worry, I hit my helicopter while falling and then I got back in it.
GG. That's real engineering
Hey,
there.
someone needs to go out to the generator.
Well,
Hey, we'll cover you. Or not.
dude, I'm dead. I only have 4 more seconds.
Oh. You still have 2 minutes to destroy all these. Hayden, Jake, what's your helicopter stealth at?
480.
Oh, fly onto a mountain and repair it.
I don't have
Alright,
anything to
hold
repair
on.
with.
Oh.
I'm going over to the power generator. Oh my
That's
god. You better cover me. Because
Yeah,
they're
we're
gonna
covering you,
they
Hayden.
have all their eyes on me. And I know that for a fact.
If you haven't noticed, there's like grenades falling out of the sky.
Receiving damage.
I need
Oh,
backup.
what? See? Guys, cover me.
Where are you?
Covering me.
What do you think we're trying
I
to
need
do?
backup.
I'm
I got the
trying to
achievement for
heal it.
stealing.
I'm holding E. but it won't let me heal it.
Yeah, because you're getting hit by something, aren't you?
No, I'm dying.
Teammate down.
I need, of course, of all these freaking pterodactyl. I swear. I died again because this tall grass couldn't let me see. I hate the fact that when you're down and you need to shoot something, they all just leave you. They just leave you instantly. And these bots are not doing anything.
Some backup, please. Double kill.
I need a backup.
Shut up, at least I didn't die 2 times.
Well, dude, no, these bots
I-
have not done anything. Like, they do zero. All they do is just sit around and just they speed themselves.
Oh, I died.
I have 5 more seconds.
I'm dead. Or not.
I can use some help here.
Dude, you could have meleeed them.
I'm trying to fix the generator. We have like 2 seconds left before it goes out.
20 seconds.
Okay, I'm dead. Well, we'll go fix the generator. If not, we're all dead.
Hey, that's your job. I'm dead.
Well, I'm sorry. I can't do anything because I don't have any air support anymore. I mean, I could have done it before, but even then, I can't get these stupid rocks. You know what? Frickin' kill me. I hate this game now.
A gigantic wing, dead.
I hate this game now. It's so annoying. There's so many flaws with this game that could have easily been fixed.
I'm gonna lower the difficulty.
Yes, please.
noob.
That could have helped.
I didn't know. I don't even know if I can
Dude.
do that.
You should.
I don't know if I can. We might have to. Hang on.
Ooh, what new item do I have in my inventory? If this... Oh, a trading card. Well, that's great. That's real great.
I have the
Yeah,
badge.
for all that, I get a trading card. It's really, real nice.
So, I kinda just crashed.
Again.
Yeah.
What type of computer do you have?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Like what? Okay, so
It's custom.
what type of computer is it actually? Like what company made it?
It's a custom.
Oh.
You
Is
made
that-
it my dad made it himself. He bought pieces from a bunch of random different, apparently good computers, he said, but...
Uh-huh. Dude, I have a Asus 2005 laptop. No, 2008 laptop. And it's working just fine. Like, I've never had any single...
Oh crap! I just pressed exit. Well, I get the server back up. Oh my god.
I'm just really annoyed by this game of how terrible like there's just things like the overall game and the aspect is really fun. Like it's just the fact that there's these obvious flaws. Like these flaws are just so humongous. Like the fact
That's why I'm not turning it back on.
You're not?
Nope.
Okay, well, I think we're done recording then.
Because how many episodes do you have? Like 9, 10 of them?
time
Yeah.
to edit. Yeah.
I don't need to edit all those recordings. are good.
All that is